To welcome you to MyAnimeList, I want to show you how to customize your experience here. In this video, I'll show you how to change your user pics and signature to the pics you want, and then how to customize your posts with BBcode so you can add pictures, videos, and customize text to many parts of the site. I'll make it as simple as possible, and we'll even look at every example of BBcode that I can find. So you sort of have two avatars that you can upload. You have this one, which appears on your profile and in the club comments, and the one that appears when you post in the forum. Just click here on your profile page or go to picture in your account settings to change the first one. You can switch to a picture from your device which you've downloaded. If they tell you your picture is too big, I have an easy way around this so you can use whatever picture you want. Go to Imgur's uploader, which I've linked you to under the video, and select the pic you want to use. Then go to edit your image, and then you can actually reduce the size to around 200 to 300 pixels wide with the numbers on the right here. When done, you save and then download the edited image and upload that to MyAnimeList. You can even crop out parts you don't want to use first, then size it down, and then save and upload that instead. Keep in mind at this moment that animated pics won't work correctly for your profile pic, they just stay still, and the Imgur resizer won't work on an animated picture as well. It only works on still ones like wallpapers and the pics I showed you earlier. But with your forum avatar, you can upload animated pictures, and it's a similar process to change this one. It's just in a different place. Go to the forum link on your settings and click here. They want even smaller pics for the forum, but again, for still pics you can use the Imgur trick I showed you earlier to make your pics smaller and use that as an avatar. If you really want to use a large animated GIF for your forum avatar but they block it, try Easy GIF to size it down. Set the width to 100. You can use BBcode to customize your posts, blogs, and comments in a lot of ways. You just need to know the codes for it. You put the codes around the text or whatever you want to change or display. In every code, there's always an opening tag in the front and a closing tag at the end. Like here, I enter the code for a spoiler button, which hides everything inside it until it's clicked. and you can name the spoiler with an equal sign and the name in quotations. You can surround your posts with boxes using the quote tags. To post images, you use the IMG tags, and in between the tags you put a direct link to an image. You can get direct links by logging into Imgur or another photo sharing site, and you put the direct link in between the IMG tags. But here's a shortcut. When you upload the pic to Imgur, they give you the BBcode already made. So all you have to do is upload the pic there and copy the BBcode and then paste that into your post to show your uploaded pic. You can also move the image to the left or the right of text with the image align code. Posting YouTube videos is similar. You need the end of a share link after the slash, and you put that in between the YouTube tags like I did here. These make text bold. This is for italics. This is for strike-through text. This is for underlining text. Size tags can resize text based on the number after the equal sign, which you choose. Color tags change the color of the text based on what color you put after the equal sign. URL tags make the text in between link to whatever is after the equal sign. And center tags can center everything in between them. And right tags move things in between them to the right. The rarely used list BBcode lets you create lists. And any BBcode in between the code tags won't activate, so you can share your BBcodes with other people this way. And of course, you can also mix BBcode together. Just put in your opening tags first, and then your closing tags after, and make sure any new tags you open get closed before you close the other tags. It's a little confusing at first, so I'll show you what I mean here. To change the signature, go to the forum link under your account settings, and you can add BBcode to your signature box the same way you add it to your comments and posts. Just remember to follow their signature rules, and you can use the Imgur image editor to tailor images more for the signature box. I'll show you a cool trick too. We can use quote boxes combined with this code to put them behind the pic for a sort of 3D effect. This is very popular right now. If you want to make further customizations like on your lists or the sides of the site, or to make graphics for your About Me in posts, see the links and club under the video.